Welcome to the IQFeed Web Help videos. Today we'll be discussing how to load a chart from or within Multicharts to connect to IQFeed. As you can see, we have the quote manager for Multicharts opened, and we have one symbol currently connected for the S&P Mini future contract. One thing to remember is to make sure that these symbols, the symbols that you have within the quote manager, are connected to IQFeed and that they are receiving data, as you can see under the collect RT data without plotting. Many times if the symbol is off, it will not pull data properly from IQFeed. Since we do have the EES connected, we'll go ahead and load a chart from here. So we'll go ahead and close the quote manager, or you can minimize it and leave it open, but we can close it. In the main Multicharts window, we can go ahead and bring up a new chart. So we can do so either from this icon, which is the create new chart window icon, or we can come up here to File, New, Chart Window. Within the chart window and format instrument window, we'll want to select the symbol that we want. Since I already have ES in here, I don't have to do anything or type in anything. And when you do type in a symbol, it'll try and find that within the quote manager. So we'll go ahead and select at ES. Data source, make sure that it is set to IQFeed. Then go to the Settings tab. Under the Settings tab, this is where you can select the type of chart that you want to look at, whether it's a regular, point figure, Kagi, Renko, line break, Heikin-Ashi. You can also set the resolution, whether it's a minute, tick chart, daily chart, so on and so forth. Quote field, we generally leave on trade, session is default, and build volume on generally trade volume. The next step is how much data you're going to want back from IQFeed. Generally, we will select the first option and choose how much data. So we'll go ahead and select just 30 days or 1 month days back from the current day. Time zone we generally leave on exchange. Data number we generally leave that as 1, and then subchart is show on top. You can also go into your style to select the type of chart you'll want, whether it's an open high-low close bar, high-low close, candlestick, hollow candlestick, so on and so forth. You can also change the scaling of the chart as well as volume profile for the chart, but we'll leave those as they are right now. So we'll go ahead and hit OK. And since our symbol is already connected to IQFeed, it's going to start to request the data and start to pull it in. And there you have it. And since I had actually selected a Kagi, we actually have a Kagi type chart up here. Now if you accidentally pull in or set your type of chart incorrectly, you can always right click, go to Format Instruments, and then under Settings, go to Chart Type and change it back to what you would like. So we'll go ahead and hit OK, and we'll want a 10-minute chart. And as you can see, it built the data pretty quickly for just a 30-day chart. If you do have any problems or questions on loading a chart or any questions on Multicharts or IQFeed, please contact us here in support, and we'll be happy to help you in any matter that we need to. Thank you.